All taps in the Aquataps range provide instant filtered boiling and cold still water. The 5-in-1 Aquatap Fizz also delivers filtered, carbonated and chilled water. Filtered water doesn't just remove contaminants and debris, it also improves the taste. To keep your Aquatap running efficiently, we recommend changing the filter every 6 months. It's also a condition of your warranty. Missing a filter change will void it. Regular changes keep your water pure and protect your boiler from Limescale. New filters can be purchased directly from our website aquataps.co.uk whenever you need them. Or why not set up our discounted filter subscription to have filters automatically sent to your home? It's the perfect addition to your Aquatap. Changing your filter is very easy. First, ensure that both the mains cold and hot water are turned off. Please be aware that some water will come out of the housing when you do this, so have a bowl and towel handy to avoid any damage. Next, unscrew the circular part of the filter housing. Take the old filter out. Ensure no plastic rings from the old filter remain inside the housing head. Also, check that the rubber O-ring is in place to avoid leaks. Now insert the new filter into the housing. Then screw the filter housing back into position. Finally, turn the mains cold and hot water supply back on. And there you have it, a new filter installed and ready to use.